Welcome everyone to Share Market Hunter YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about ITC share. ITC is a tobacco company and FMCG company. We are going to see the major revenue contributor of ITC. There are six business for ITC: FMCG business, cigarette business, agri business, paper business, and packaging business. One more thing is hotel business. Let's see the chart of ITC. If you look at the chart of ITC, it's looking weak. The 52-week high is 266 rupees. 52-week low is 134 rupees. Currently, it is trading at 179 rupees. The current valuation is very attractive. Those people who are looking for long-term investment, they can get into ITC now. They can buy in three tranches. The current price is 179, can be bought for the first tranches. Then second tranches can be bought at 170 rupees. Then third tranches can be bought around 160 to 165 rupees. Let's see the financial statement of ITC now. We are going to see the profit and loss account of ITC from 2009 to 2020. The sales figure of ITC is in 2009 was 16,000 crore, and if you look at 2020, the sales figure has gone up to 49,000 crore, which is almost three times higher than 2009. The same way, if you look at the net profit, in 2009, the net profit was 3,000 crore and it has gone up to 15,000 crore in 2020. It is almost five times higher than the 2009 profit figure. If you look at the balance sheet, the company is very strong. It's virtually debt-free company. If you look at the borrowings, the borrowing is in 2009 it had only 187 crore, but currently it has 277 crore, which is very less. Virtually it's a debt-free company. If you look at the reserve has gone up from 13,000 crore to 64,000 crore, which is huge. How the reserve is generating? Whenever the company is generating the profit portion of the profit will be transferred to the reserve in the balance sheet side. This reserve can be used for buy back the share at higher price, paying the interim dividend, or they can invest the money in the business for expand the business. So what will happen when they invest the business in when they invest the reserve in the business, they can expand the business, the revenue will go up as well as the profit will go up, which is good for the long term investors. Having said that, we will look at the dividend, how much ITC paid the dividend in the past 8 years. We are given the details of the dividend, how the ITC has paid the dividend. It has paid very good dividend. The dividend yield for ITC is 5%, which is really good amount, because in FD, even if you invest in the FD, you will get only 5 to 6%. The same return you are getting from ITC through dividend. If you look at the brand, let's look at the shareholder pattern. This is the shareholder pattern we have given. The FIA have invested, DA has invested, as well as the public. Public is nothing but the retail investors. You can see the details. Everything has gone up when you compare with the 2017 to 2020. So we are going to see the good brand of ITC. So first thing is a cigarette. Everyone knows that ITC is the market leader in the cigarette. We no need to talk about the cigarette business. One thing I can talk about that in 2016, the cigarette business was 62 percentage, but it has gone down to 45 percentage in 2019, which is a good news. Why it has gone down? They are the ITC is now the ITC is looking forward to develop the business in FMCG rather than the cigarette business. So hence they started investing in FMCG business. Hence the FMCG revenue is going up and the cigarette business is coming down. You can look at some other brands which is creating a value for ITC. Ashirwad Tata, everybody is using in our home, which is contributing 4,500 crore revenue for ITC. Then Sunfeast. Sunfeast is a biscuit brand for ITC, which is creating 3,800 crore. Then Bingo is the chips, which is creating 2,500 crore revenue. Classmate is the stationery item which our which students are using, and our kids also using the same, and it is creating 1,400 crore revenue. Epi is the noodle. After Maggie, Epi is the market leader, so which is creating 1,100 crore profit. So the ITC is doing very well in the FMCG also. If you compare with the 2010 and the 2020, the revenue, how the revenue is getting contributed. If you combine the FMCG and cigarette business in 2010, it was 59 percentage. It has gone down to 41 percentage. So why it has come down? The cigarette business has come down and the FMCG business has gone up. That is the reason you can see the dip in the revenue in the FMCG and the cigarette business. FMCG others, it has gone up 22 percentage, which is a good news. From 12 percentage, it has gone up to 22 percentage. Agri business also there is an increase, and paper and packaging also there is no increase, but still the business is doing well. Hotel business is as usual. There is no much revenue, but still that is contributing 3 percentage to the revenue of ITC. These are the main revenue contribution. We have already checked the comparison. So what is the good news? That the government, the GST for the ITC, not only ITC, for the cigarette company is 28 percentage, which is the higher slab. Everyone knows that the GST will start from 5 percentage, then 18 percentage, after that 28 percentage. So what happened? The government has already charging high percentage of GST, that is 28 percentage. The government cannot increase beyond this, which is a good news for ITC. But the bad news is, apart from GST, the government will charge excise duty for the cigarette product. So having said that, as of now, per cigarette, the government is charging 18 paise for ITC cigarette product. So what is happening whenever the government is increasing the tax excise duty, the ITC will pass on the tax price to the consumer. So they will increase the cigarette price. What will happen when they increase the cigarette price? Obviously, the tax price will be set off with the revenue. There is no loss for the company, but the consumer will be suffered. But what happened? Even though the cigarette price is high, the consumer are ready to buy the cigarette. So there is no problem for the company. The business will be as usual. There is no for the, so the business will continue. Having said that, the current market value is very attractive. You can go ahead and buy with a long-term target of 280 rupees. The disclaimer is, please, before buy this stock, talk to your financial advisor, take the advice from them, then you go and buy the stock. Thank you so much for watching this video. We are going to upload a lot of videos in the future. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.